Hi guys, this is the newest video of my scene. I'm not using OBS because it doesn't work with my NVIDIA card. Okay, so I started completely from scratch. I have everything the same as in the video, completely the same. And I'm using the scripts that were given to me by you guys. It's the object menu manager, it's the Oculus controller input. I'm not using this one at the moment because I only want to use the teleporter. So I thought I'd only use this, right? Makes sense. And I'm using the Oculus hand interaction. I didn't do anything with these scripts. They're just as they came, so I won't show them to you completely. They should work because they work like this in the video. So I have the spheres here connected to my hand. They work, but this is the part that doesn't work. So I can't seem to be able to teleport. It just doesn't work. And I tried with the other, in my other build, and I got rid of the tracked OBJ, and then something started to happen. So, I don't know, why is that in there? Right? Because I'm not using it. It's off. So when I turn on the VR, I can't show you now. When I turn it on, my hands appear. Well, my fucking spheres appear. And Object Menu Manager is my left hand now. But I can't select any object. I can't teleport. So what's going on?